everyone, this is Vicky from KINLONG Group. KINLONG has been established for over 20 years, starting as a small workshop, making door and window hardwares. Now we have grown into a publicly listed company, providing one-stop building material solutions. Many of our friends for overseas market may ask, what exactly does KINLONG do? Today, let me show you the real KINLONG, up close and personal. This is the headquarters of KINLONG Hardware, located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. These are the two main exhibition halls of KINLONG, covering over 30,000 square meters in total. Now, let's step inside and take a closer look. We are now in the comprehensive image exhibition hall. Right at the entrance, you will see a world map with KINLONG logo. Let's explore KINLONG in the world and the world in KINLONG. KINLONG was founded in 2003 and listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange in 2016. After 2 decades of growth, we have become one of China's leading publicly listed companies in architecture hardware and integrated building material solutions. This area showcases KINLONG's development journey, giving you a whole view of the company. Our mission is to improve the living environment for everyone and make KINLONG a name known for high quality. This core belief inspires everything we do at KINLONG. Over the years, KINLONG has grown from single production base to large facilities, including the North China Production Center, second factory, and third factory, all now fully operational to support our expanding capacity. Starting with just the KINLONG brand, we now have over 60 brands under our umbrella through the partnership and investments. We keep working to improve the quality of life for everyone. Behind me is the KINLONG Honor Wall. Our company has won many important awards, like the National Science and Technology Progress Award, second prize, and being named a National IP Model Enterprise. These honors show how much we have grown and how strong we are. This area highlights KINLONG's core beliefs, our vision, mission, and values. Guided by a strong corporate culture, KINLONG employees working together with unity, passion, and dedication. As we grow, we never forget to give back to society. So far, we have donated nearly 100 schools in China and other countries, bringing hope and opportunities to children in underprivileged areas. Character first, capability essential. This area showcases our approach to talent, building a high-performance team that drives KINLONG's ongoing growth and success. Behind me is the Digital Command Center, which offers real-time monitoring of our smart management systems. We operate more than 10 overseas warehouses to boost the efficiency of our global logistics. Only true professionalism drives unique values. Speculation leads nowhere. As of the end of 2024, KINLONG and its subsidiaries holds over 1,000 patents worldwide, including more than 160 invention patents. We have also led or contributed to over 200 industry standards. This shows our strong commitment to innovation and excellence. Here we showcase our advanced manufacturing capabilities, covering the production processes, forming technologies, and state-of-the-art equipment. High standards, strict requirements, zero defects, zero complaints. Our commitment to quality has earned us increasing trust from the market. Our one-stop solutions cover 12 key application areas, such as residential buildings, commercial complexes, transport hubs, stadiums, and smart homes, helping customers save time, effort, and hassle. Here is just a few of our international projects, including the Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Marriott Hotel, Riyadh Metro Station, Singapore Marina Bay Sands, the Doha Pearl Land Apartments. We are working tirelessly to become the world's largest integrated supplier of architectural hardware systems and building materials. In addition, we have specialized exhibition halls for curtain walls and windows, rail transit systems, commercial building solutions, smart door systems, factory tools and equipment, and much more. Due to the limited time, we will save the rest for future presentation. Stay tuned for more insights into KINLONG. Next, we are heading to a place that's both impressive and a little mysterious, the KINLONG Laboratory Center. Covering over 6,000 square meters, the lab houses 18 specialized testing rooms, staffed by more than 40 test engineers, and equipped with over 300 sets of advanced testing equipments. This is our mechanical testing lab, where we test the tensile, the compressive, and bending strengths of metal materials. Here is the environmental testing lab, where we perform the waterproof and dust-proof tests on electronic products. This is our salt spray lab, mainly used to testing the corrosion resistance of the metal components. Upstairs in the testing center, we conduct tests for the hardware accessories of the doors, windows, locks, and lighting fixtures. Wait, filming is not allowed here. Now, let me show you our main production base at headquarters. KINLONG's total building exceeds 900,000 square meters, employing over 10,000 staff and equipped with a full range of advanced production facilities. This is the hinge assembly workshop. Each hinge undergoes multiple processes: die casting, machining, and surface coating, before arriving here for final assembly, where it becomes a finished KINLONG product. This is our fully automatic polishing line for die-cast components. What I'm holding here is a part polished by robotic automation. This area produces the housings and machine components for our floor springs, one of our key product lines. This is our fully automatic machining line dedicated to door closers. The component I'm holding is a finished door closer body, ready for assembly and quality inspection. What we have shown you today is only a tip for the iceberg. There is so much more to KINLONG. More stories, more facilities, and more innovative products. We look forward to sharing more with you very soon.